Good morning to Anandal present here. In this video, we are going to see about the stack operations in data structure concepts. In this video, we are seeing about the data structure stack representation in array, linked list, and then two main operation, push and pop operations. In stack, generally we have to saying about the a neat pile of object. It has to rectangular, or cylindrical pile of hay, straw, etc. So it is an last in first out. So those who are all inserted in last, so it will be come out first. This is a sample for an stack. So book has to ordered in a stack manner, which means that last inserted will be pick up first. This is sample. Another one sample we having a food stack. So this is a sample food. So we have to take the last inserted food item in a first. This is another example. So we have to pick up the CDs. So first last inserted CD will have to pick up the first. Next we are seeing about the definitions of an stack. A stack is an ordered collection of items into which new items may be inserted and from which item may be deleted at one end. It will be called as the top of the stack. So top pointer will be acting it as an both the insertion and the deletion operations. In stack we are saying it as an push and a pop operations. In a stack it is a linear data structures which will satisfy the following properties at any times. So it will be allocations and deallocations are performed by using the last in first out manner. So with this, among the all existing entries at any time, the last entry have been allocated in the first entry to be deallocated. So only the last entry will be accessible. This is an above sample operations for an stack operation. We having a push and pop operations, push for an insertion and pop for an deletion operations. So this is an last in first out sample operations. We are inserting array value 3, 2 and 1. While we are inserting with this, so 3, 2, 1. First we inserted 1, next inserted 2, next inserted 3, which has last in first out. The first will 3 will come out, and then 2, and then 1 will be come out. Applications of stack we having in web browsers, page visited, and then in printer, text editor. We have saving a local variable when function calls, and then expression conversion, infix, prefix, postfix expression conversion. We have to converting boolean value into decimal values. Like this we are using the stack applications. And then we having a representations of the stack. So stack will be represented either in array manner or in a linked list representation. So this is an array based stack. We having a simple way to implementing stack is an by using the array. In this variable, top contains the location of the top element of the stack. In the stack operations only, we have to inserting and deletion to be done it in the performance. In array based stack, yes, stack is an ordered collection of items into which new item may be inserted and from which items may be deleted at one end called the top of the stack. This is an array based stack. So first we will be initially having with the A, B, C, D. Two, sorry, four items will be there in the stack. So I want to insert it in E. So it will be inserted in after the D increasing top pointer in one four pointer. After that we have to insert it in a F. After that we have to insert it in a G. After that we have to insert in a H. After that we have inserted means there is not an error, so overflow will be occur. In an array based stack, so this is an pop operations. We have to delete the value. First we have to finally H, then G, then F, then E, then D, C, B, A. After that it will be underflow. So this is an array based stack example. So we having a array based stack final representation. we have to insert it. And then array based stack, we have to insert it in a maximum stack operation, which gives the maximum inserted elements that can be held by the stack. So how many number of blocks has to be blocked in a array representations in array based stack? So initially top equal to 0 and top equal to null. In a array based stack, initially top equal to 0 and top equal to null, which indicates that stack is an stack is an empty operation. Initially top equal to 0, top equal to null. And then we having a reached with the top pointer equal to maximum operation, which indicates that we will receiving the top layer. And then in array based stack, maximum stack is an 8. Because of that we are predefined array stack value is an 8. Now it is in value in a top 4. When we are inserted in next value, it is in 5. Okay, next thing is an operations of an stack. So operations of an stack in a two type, one is an push, another one is an pop. So push operation, which is used to insert an element in a stack. So pop operations, which is used to element in delete an operations. Push operations, before executing the push operation, one must test if there is a room in the stack for a new item or not. If stack is full, we have to measuring it as an overflow. In push, this is an condition stack, top, maximum stack, and then item. We have to procedure to push an item onto the stack. If tab equal to maximum level, then it has to print the overflow. Otherwise, we have to return it. If it is and then else, we have to top equal to top operations, and then stack of top equal to item. This is an flowchart operation of an push operations. Next, we are seeing about the pop operations, which is a deletion operation. If top equal to 0, then we have to saying it as an print equal to underflow. Otherwise, item equal to stack of top equal to top minus 1. So in this, we have to push. First, we have to increase the pointer value. In a delete, first we have to insert the values. So this is an flowchart for an pop operations. Next, we are seeing about the limitations of array based stack. So it has to predefined, that is called it as an priori. If it has to trying to push new element into full stack, causes implementation of exception errors. So next we are seeing about the linked list operation. So linked list operations also to be linked and then datas, not an previous array based operations. In a linked push operations, first we have to start it with the top pointer. We have to push the values in 4 3 2 1. And then linked based stack operations, so we have to insert the values of an 4 3 2 1. This is an pop operations. In a linked list, we have to delete the value 4. So like this, we having a represented in a array in a linked list operations. That's all about the stack operations in the data structures. Thank you.